Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to create and customize a weekly schedule in Excel. First, download the template and open it. If it opens in Protected View, enable editing. Save the template to your PC by clicking File and then Save. Let's start customizing your template. Enter the schedule start time by selecting the cell under Schedule Start Time. Use the drop-down menu or manually enter the time. The value can only be 1-hour increments. The template will automatically update the start time under the time column. Enter the week start date by selecting the cell under Week Start Date. The template will automatically populate the dates. Note that the template is formatted to start the week on Sunday. You can manually change the days of the week to align with the start date you select. Now that you've customized your start time and week, you can start entering your appointments and meetings. Select the cell that corresponds to the date and time of your meeting and enter the details. For scheduled events that last longer than 30 minutes, select the starting time cell, pull the green square, and drag through the ending cell. Then select the Merge and Center button to combine the cells. To customize the color of your event, select the cell, right-click, select the drop-down next to the fill icon, and select a color. To duplicate entries, select the cell you want to duplicate, right-click, select Copy, select a cell, right-click, and select Paste. And there you have it, your customized weekly calendar in Excel. For even more functionality, try a Smartsheet weekly schedule template.